Welcome to ICEF Monitor. I'm here with Ben from the Philippines. Ben, you're the president and chairman of WISE Immigrations from the Philippines. Thank you so much for coming. Let's talk a little bit about the Philippines and about the demand of Filipino students going to study abroad. We have seen a steady rise over the last year. How would you describe it? How do you see the demand of the Philippines? Is it still in the rise?
Yeah, the way how we see it, especially right now that in the Philippines, they have this new program they call the Study Direct Stream. So way back before it was being implemented, so the way how we see it, the numbers are increasing. In fact, based from the data that I have seen on Citizenship and Immigration Canada, so last 2016, so the figures are doubled, and this newly launched program last year, it was an impact in the Philippine market. Because it eliminates the longer process and eliminates the processing of the documents that is being required.
Let's talk a little bit more about it. Where do you see the advantages for educators and where do you see the advantages for students?
Yeah, for the educators, the way how the programs is being monitored right now. So the advantage of it is getting the guarantee of the payment of the student. Because once the student applies for this program, they need to pay at least the 1 year duration of the program. And when it comes to the student side, so it also guarantees that feeling of the quickness of the program. Like it guarantees the 30 days processing, so it actually make them feel more interested.
Let's talk a little bit about numbers. How many students from Philippines went to study abroad last year or in the last years? Do you have some numbers?
The data that I've seen from based from Citizenship and Immigration Canada, last 2016, it was 3,200 plus. I'm not sure about the exact figure. So comparing to the data that we've sent last year, last 2017, so we've sent around 150 successful students in Canada. So we're getting close to it compared to the number of students all throughout the Philippines that is studying in Canada.
Thank you for watching the first part of ICEF Monitor. Stay tuned for part number 2.